Assalamualaikum student. Today's our topic is electrical wiring. Electrical wiring is defined as electrical wiring is defined as a system for conveying electric power from the source to the point of use. Now we discuss the electric power. Domestic wiring is the electric power is supplied domestic installation through single phase or two wire system. The two wire system is the single phase system is has consists of two wire. One is live or phase wire. Second is neutral wire. Now we discuss the single phase or two wire system have constants of two wire. First is the live or phase wire. Now we define what is the phase wire. Live or phase wire is red or brown and carries the current. The voltage making the current flow backward and forward through the circuit. Now we discuss the neutral wire. Neutral wire is black or blue insulated and complete the circuit. It is kept at zero voltage by the electric supply company. Now we discuss the hazards of electricity. First we discuss the damage insulation. What is the damage insulation? If someone touched an exposed piece of wire, they could be subjected to a shock. Now we discuss the overloading of plugs. If plug or socket become overloaded due to plugging in too many components. Now discuss the overheating of cables passing too much current through small wire can lead to the wire overheating. This could cause fire or melt the insulation. Now we discuss what is short circuit. A short circuit occurs when wire accidentally touch or forming a path of very low resistance. This draw a large current from the source and overheat the wires. Electric shock, it's occur when a person touch live or damage wire, causing current to flow through the body. Now we discuss what is earth wire. Earth wire protect us from electric shock by sending excess current into the ground. If short circuit occurs, current will flow electricity directly into the earth through the earth wire. What is 3-pin plug? Two pins of the plug connect the appliance to the main supply, while the third pin connect the appliance to the earth wire. Now we discuss the electricity and safety. Safety devices which are used. First is fuse. Second is miniature circuit breaker. Third is earth wire. Fourth is 3-pin plug. Fifth is earth leakage circuit breaker. First we discuss the fuse. When the current in the circuit exceed a safety limit, the fuse heat up and melt, breaking the circuit and stopping the flow of current. When there is an excess current, flow, then MCB automatically switch off, thus breaking the circuit. The MCB can be turned back to like a switch. Now we discuss the earth leakage circuit breaker. In short form, we write ELCB. And ELCB detect a small current passing through the earth wire of appliances. It then turn off the power when the amount of current reach a dangerous level. Today we discuss the safety measure for safe use of electricity. First point is don't touch electrical appliance or socket when your hands are wet. Second point is don't use appliance with damage or expose wires. Third point is don't repair an electrical appliance by yourself. Get an electrician. Fourth point is don't overload it. A power socket by plugging into many appliances. Fifth point is don't change a bulb with don't change a bulb until you turn off its switch.